Hey guys, Reg here, your inspiring Cebuano vlogger, and I'm back with another mini vlog. Birthday ng nephew ko ngayon. His name is Andre, and sobrang grateful lang namin for another year added to his life. We will have dinner at their house. They live just 1 block away from our humble home here in the province. Ayun, simpleng salo-salo kasama ng buong pamilya, and I will take you guys with me. Let's go!
Make a wish. Make a wish sa.
Hello guys, nakauwi na po kami and we had so much fun sa birthday celebration ni Andre with the family. He just turned 9. Sobrang sarap ng food. We had ice cream as well, and all thanks to my cousin Ate Jonah, yung mom ni Andre, kasi siya talaga yung nag-prepare din para magkaroon kami ng salo-salo with the family, with everyone. Sina mama at papa pala, wala sila masyado sa first part ng mini vlog na to kasi dumating sila bandang huli na kasi may mga inasikaso pa sila doon sa fish stall. And then nung dumating sila, kumuha lang ako ng mga konting clips, tapos nag-catch up na kami with everyone. Yun lang naman guys. Thank you so much for watching. Tapos kita-kita po tayo sa next na mini vlog. Amping! Bye!